Hi guys, so today I am starting to take the bonnet off of the Massey. I'm already halfway there. So I've got the mother cluckers with me, free ranging around. They're helping me out while I work on it. So we did move the Massey in the end. So we hooked on with the Renault and the loader, and we dragged her through and then pushed her through. It took quite a bit of time. And now, as you can see, I've taken the side panels off there. And I was taking the front grille off as well. And I'm working on taking the top of the bonnet off as well. Let's just show you. So here's the front grille. Show you inside the battery compartment area. So as you can see, the filter box there is rotten. The battery tray is rotten. Just about everything's rotten. So taking the side bits off wasn't so easy. These bolts here, either side, and I've been slipping a lot on taking them off. And while I'm doing this at the minute, Dad is what are you doing, mate?
Sorting the level out on the back end.
Sorting the level out on the back end on the Ford 7.6.
Back end and greasing it all up ready.
Did you have any oil in that in it?
No.
None. There's that. So what I'm doing now is I've got a lovely, I'll show you the type of gap I'm having to deal with here. There's a bolt just under there. I've got to get in there somehow with my hands. There she is. That one there, and take her out. And I'm also hopefully going to be taking off the air filter box as well. So she is slowly coming apart. Let's show you the kind of gap that I'm having to work with in here. Look at that. I've got to try and get my hands in there and then undo it. Yeah, that's fun. I'm trying not to bore you guys with me taking everyone off, but just show you how much of a pig it is to get inside here and take it off. Nearly there, I think. A few more turns and she'll come free. Oh, I've missed my end. What do you want, Fleur? Look at this. Yes? Are you intrigued by what I'm doing? They're all out and about. It's funny because if I was to walk over towards their house, hold on guys, let's just spin you down. Now, if I walk over towards their house, watch what happens. Let's just give it a minute. Hold on. Going in. We go in, watch what happens. Hold on. When they notice that I'm in here, let's see. Oh, we've got one. Comes another one. Comes Coco. They usually come running. Oh, look. It just takes one at a time when they realise. Hello. They think I've got food for them, so they all just slowly make their way. Alright, let's carry on. So the, hang on, third one's out. And now onto the fourth one. It's under this frame here. That shouldn't be too hard to get. I've already got one out the other side. The support frame, I'm going to call that. Let's take that one out, and then we'll lift off the top of the bonnet. As you can see, it's got a few holes. Dad wants to use it as a template to redo it. What did you say? You're going to weld a panel, are you?
I'm going to weld panels.
He's going to weld panels in. Ah, there we go. Hopefully we get to that stage. But before we get to that stage, we've got to get this thing singing and dancing, haven't we? Right, let's get the bonnet off. Right, so it is off now, and one part of it, hang on, let's just try and show you, is, yeah, there you go, really rotted. It wasn't easy to come off. That was a two-man job to lift it off, only because of it rotting away. But here we go, bit more ease of access now to the engine. Still quite a long way to go, but it's always nice to take it one step at a time and start achieving stuff. Oh, maybe we should took that off before we took the injectors off, but it don't matter. At least we've got them off and we've had a good look now. We know what we're contending with. There it goes back in loosely. God, get in there. Just put an ejector back in. Ah. So here's just a quick clip on the Massey. It was literally leaking like a sieve. So I've had to, old sheet that I got outside the horse box, I've literally fitted it on the roof there. Oh God. So there's my puddles again. Tried mentioning them before. It's leaking in the top right corner and the top left corner, dripping down through that window. I'll have to fix it at some point, but yeah, for now I'd much rather just have a temporary fix on it, worry about bodywork later. Maybe, as I said, I do really want to get a bit of coat of the paint on her just to protect her from a bit more rust and rot. And I could really do with getting under there when this weather changes and getting that head off that engine. It's coming soon. It's coming really soon. Look at all this water build up. Look at that. There we go. Hi guys, so today I'm going to be giving the Massey a coat of paint. So I'm going to be doing silver. I haven't got any red at the minute. Well, I have, but I ain't going to have time. What I'm going to do is going to go up there. We're going to see what it's looking like up there with the rot, etc. This coat of paint isn't a proper respray. You know, we're not talking as blue and nice as Dad's Ford there. We are talking a remove some rot and protect the rest of the paintwork. So it's just a light coat over the top, just to protect it from rotting anymore until we get down to actually giving it some welding, whatnot, and then the proper coat of paint. So this is just a bit of a protection. So let's get down to the video. So I'm just going to start off with some wire brushing all the panels. Helps the paint to stick. I do need to get in there with something and take out the rot that's under there. And I'll also give it a hand sand as well with some wet and dry. Now I've got to take my temporary cover off for the window leak over there. Send that down there, don't matter. No, girls! No! It's not for you. God, chickens are idiots. No. Yeah, okay. Didn't quite expect it to just oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, that's not good. That means plenty of rot in the bolts, and it looks like there's a strut there as well. Oh, I can't even lift it up now. I've moved it. Well, we didn't want that, did we? We're hitting some fun already, guys. So I got my two hands, took the camera off. I've lost, the tripod's broken, that's why I can't stand it up. And as you can see, I've just lifted the roof straight off. So, well, I mean, it helps me in regards to getting rid of this rot, I guess. Just didn't quite expect it to be so easy to come off. So as you can see, it's all rotted away. God, they're ruined. It's all ruined. Ah, some extra fun, guys. Let's get that sorted out. So just to give you guys an idea, we've got holes here. I think this is the hole here that's leaking under there. I reckon that's the one we're getting the leak from. Look at that rot there. These struts are knackered, they're all rotted off. All gonna have to come out, be cleaned up. So there'll need to be some patch welding done up here at some point. That's obviously not going to be today because Dad's in a vile mood. So that's why I'm here doing it. I'm just going to literally clean it all up, coat of paint, protect what I can that's still here, preserve as much as we can, and we'll go from there. Right, so I've cleaned up as much rot as I can. Any that's flaking off, we're going to leave brackets like this on here. Dad's going to need to see those for getting new ones when we do fix the roof. What we're doing now, lightly flattening the paintwork. I've had a wire brush on it as well. This is just to help the new paint stick. The preparation is the key part in any painting. If you don't prepare it right, it goes wrong. So watching my dad when I was younger, sort of, he never really showed me. He did a couple of times, but I think the key thing was for me was when I bought my first car that I wanted to mess around with, which was a Focus ST. I got into the craze of modifying, so I started taking bits off and painting them, and after a while I would say I'm not bad at painting now. So painted quite a few bits, painted bits for friends' cars, my brother's car, wheels, done a lot of wheel restorations as well. So see how we get on. Right, so I have actually been out with the paint. So this is honestly not going to look the best. These black strips, I will get some more on there. I'm not worried about overspray. We can clean up overspray. We're just trying to cover up any rotten areas, prevent them. So in a minute I'm going to be doing in these parts of the rear of the cab there, these rear struts. I have, look at this, horrible, this door is horrible. I think we're going to have to get a new panel in this door. You can see the crazing in the paintwork from the rot. The cab is now done, well, the roof, apart from the panel I took off. I need to get that done in a minute. We'll get that on there. Let's just go up and have a little peek. So again, you'll have to excuse the paint. It's more of a protection coat than anything else, and it does make it look a bit better actually compared to how it was. You can see the runs and overspray. Well, actually there's any runs, it's more where it's just such a light coat, you can still see the rot underneath. It will get a good sanding down and a proper Massey silver on it. I'd like to think what you guys would recommend as what silver paint I have used. What do you think I've used? Let me know what you think I've used. I might reveal it. I'll let you know what I've used. But you got to guess first. So that'll be another video. So on to just finishing it off then, and we'll show you the end product. So there's the final finish. It's just to protect the tin work and make it a bit better. So that's the roof done there. I've put the panel back in. Looks a lot better. We'll protect it from rot. I even did up there a little bit as best as I can, because obviously, again, rot. Gonna keep saying rot with this Massey, aren't we? But generally speaking, let me just put the ladder down out of the way. So there we go. That will protect it. That'll make a big difference. In here as much as I can as well. Up around, protect all the tin work before we get onto it, because obviously, as you guys know, winter is coming. God, I didn't mean to do a Game of Thrones pun there, but it's on its way. It won't be long, a few months, and we'll be in the cold season. Plenty of rain here. So there we are. Right guys, so what do you think on that then? So that is me done with the Massey for now. Just protect it, keep the paintwork going. Doing that, I'm doing the tongue tied again. Keep the tin work as best as I can. So thanks for watching guys. New to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and join our journey if you want to see more on the Massey, more on the Ford. We are going to do a video on that being painted. Yeah, right, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.